First phrase is seize the day, meaning, make the most of the present moment. Let's use it in a sentence.
I decided to seize the day and start pursuing my dream career.
Second phrase is chase your dreams, meaning, pursue your goals and ambitions. Let's use it in a sentence.
Don't be afraid to chase your dreams, no matter how big they may seem.
Third phrase is live in the moment, meaning, focus on the present rather than worrying about the past or future. Let's use it in a sentence.
I've learned to live in the moment and appreciate what I have right now.
Fourth phrase is take a leap of faith, meaning, take a risk without knowing the outcome. Let's use it in a sentence.
I decided to take a leap of faith and start my own business.
Fifth phrase is turn over a new leaf, meaning, make a fresh start and improve your behavior or habits. Let's use it in a sentence. After the accident, I decided to turn over a new leaf and live a healthier lifestyle. Sixth phrase is bite the bullet, meaning, face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. Let's use it in a sentence. I knew I had to bite the bullet and have that difficult conversation with my boss. Seventh phrase is Rome wasn't built in a day, meaning, important work takes time and patience. Let's use it in a sentence.
I remind myself that Rome wasn't built in a day whenever I feel discouraged about my progress.
Eighth phrase is actions speak louder than words, meaning, what you do is more significant than what you say. Let's use it in a sentence.
Instead of just promising change, he decided to show it. Actions speak louder than words.
Ninth phrase is the sky's the limit, meaning, there is no set limit to what you can achieve. Let's use it in a sentence.
With hard work and determination, the sky's the limit for what you can accomplish.
10th phrase is every cloud has a silver lining, meaning, there is something positive to be found in every negative situation. Let's use it in a sentence. Even though he lost his job, he found a new opportunity. Every cloud has a silver lining.